Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Maj, and for today's video update ko kayo regarding kay Freecash. Guys, as you can see, meron silang bagong mga games at meron akong nakita na you can earn up to 3,246 US dollars in one game, guys. So, check natin yan later. And then may mga pa-quest sila dito na you can earn tickets para makasali kayo sa kanilang paraffle, guys. So, it's ongoing pa din. And then, etong kanilang daily strike, then you can earn additional earnings, guys. Kailangan dito at least $1 per day maka-earn ka sa mga games para makakuha ka ng additional earnings. Okay? So, yun yung mga bago. At matagal na yun, pa yung additional question yung bago for me. So, now, let's proceed sa etong games na to. Goblins Woods, guys. Worth 3,436 pala, sorry, 3,436.71. So, nakapaglaro ako ng katulad nito. Goblins din yung name, and I think same lang din siya ng, pero mas malaki yung, nito, earnings, guys. As you can see, may mga walang timer, and then may mga time limit yung iba, and then meron dito na you can purchase, and then they will return, but hindi ganun kalaki. I mean, hindi break even kapag nag-purchase kayo. But for me, try natin na hindi tayo mag-purchase. But may nabasa kasi ako na he or she invested money here para to try na nakuha naman niya yung pera nga, break even, plus kumita siya, nag-earn siya ng not so much. So, I'll try natin here kung kaya ba, kasi may timer up to 1 month, nakita natin 30 days, then the rest of the levels is wala nang time limit. So, I think up to 2 months ito, yung mga walang time limit yan. But, i-check natin yan later, guys. But, yung may 30 days, yun yung kailangan natin gawin. But, in this game, guys, akala natin mabadali lang siya, but no, of course, hindi naman lahat ng games is hindi naman ganun kadali. In the first few levels, of course, it will be so easy, guys. And then here, recommend ko, guys, make it sure na yung internet nyo is hindi kayo naka-mobile data kasi maraming ads for sure sa mga free earning, guys. May ads yan, but they will recommend you na to purchase na no ads here, but of course we're going not to. And then kailangan din matalino ka, smart move ka here, because ang priority mo dito, wala pa dito sa first level yung lab, makikita nyo later on, may mga additional, yun kailangan yung matapos. And then you don't need to cut all of the trees, you need to activate the lab and then proceed to the finish line, the last one, para makapag-proceed ka to the next. Ayan, may additional sa gilid, yung color purple ba yan? Yun yung kailangan yung activate. So, hindi nyo kailangan i-cut down all of the trees. But of course, in the first level, pwede nyo naman din i-cut all of the trees kasi super easy lang naman din. But, the higher level, guys, parang time-consuming na kasi. And yung kailangan habulin, may mga bonus level na up to 2 days, up to 9 days, diba? So, the rest is 30 days, and the other rest, it will be no time limit anymore. So, yung hinahabol natin, yung makakuha tayo ng bonus here. Okay? So, kailangan maka-strategy kayo na makapunta kagad, ma-activate nyo, at the same time, makapunta kayo sa finish line. So, here, wala akong gagastusin. Although, parang okay, yung mga balik, guys, as you can see, yung mga other quests na parang you purchase and then you will earn pa rin. Pwede naman yun, kaya lang hindi nyo makukuha lahat. So, kailangan is, yung pag-spend nyo ng gems dito, for me, I think i-spend ko siya for 30 minutes deduction, mga ganyan. So, eto, after a month, guys, so we still have 34 hours left, or 1 day and 10 hours, but feeling ko di ko siya makukuha, even the bonus level, because sa kayo na aberya. So, ito yung take note ko. Again, make it sure your phone is not full, yung storage nyo. At least, meron kayong 3 gig, guys. Kasi kapag once na yung bigla siyang ayaw na nga mag-proceed, guys. So, you need to delete it, and then reinstall it, guys. And then, pag ganyan, super hassle kasi you need to submit the request na hindi mo nakuha yung coins kasi hindi siya mag-automatic. Pero kasi binalaan na rin ako ng free cash regarding about it. So, papakita ko sa inyo paano kayo mag-submit once na na-encounter nyo siya. But the rest of the rewards, yung mga coins, nakuha ko naman siya automatically supposed to be. Pero kapag nagka-aberya nga kasi, tapos dinilit nyo yung app, mahirap na nila ma-detect. So, you need to submit. Pag ganyan, you need to submit at least 4 days before the end of the timer, masubmit nyo yung yung request. Kasi matagal din silang mag-review. At least 4 days ha. Bale, nakita ko mo doon 34 days. Kaya siya within a month. Matapos ko na siya. As you can see, nasa, na tayo, di ba? Pa-reach na tayo. Buti nila, ang quest dito is to reach. So, kailangan kapunta tayo ng level 45. Kailangan doon na tayo. Guys. So, dahil hindi na ako automatic, dahil dinilit ko yung app, and then, nire-install ko rin siya ulit, pero I need to submit a request form na hindi ko nakuha. But, makuha mo pa rin siya kung pasok siya sa time limit. Pero sa akin kasi, hindi na siya. Pero possible siya within a month matapos yung 30 days. And then, I'll be back na lang for the rest. Guys, kung makukuha ko pa siya, kasi nakita ko nga is 2 months siya. Pwede nga matapos yung walang timer within 2 months. Guys. Okay. So, ayan. So, ang daming ads na kailangan yung panoorin para makuha kayo ng additional booster. So, I think here, you need to invest more time. Kung ayaw yung gumastos talaga, at least, tapos kailangan mayroon kayong alarm na kailangan makita nyo kung anong oras matatapos yung pag-cut down ng mga trees, hanggang sa mga finish line, kung mga ganyan. So, kung 1 hour, mag-timer kayo ng 1 hour, bumalik kayo ng 1 hour. But of course, time to time is, nag-send sila ng, pag naka-open naman kayo, nag-send sila ng random loots. Guys, and of course, time to time, meron din silang events. So, make it sure na sumali kayo doon at makuha nyo yung additional sa events kasi malaking tulong yon kung hindi kayo mag-aano. And then sa gems, I spend it sa mga deduction of hours, guys. So, spend wisely. So, as you can see here, yung ibang loots na kuha natin. So, punta lang kayo sa AdGate. So, ayun nga, nakita nyo, diba, 60 days pa. So, here, dahil naka-reach na tayo, as soon as possible na ma-reach nyo, tapos hindi nyo nakuha automatically yung coins, mag-submit kagad kayo para at least ma-process yun kagad, guys. But, again, I recommend 4 days dapat, guys. Sa akin, hindi na siya aabot. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano nyo gagawin once na ma-encounter yung ganitong klaseng issue. But, kung nakita nyo is 4 days left pa, kaya. Actually, kaya pa sa 4 days left. Kaya lang kasi, minsan kasi na-oversleep ako, ganyan, then so, ganyan. Grabe. So, tapos yun yan, install, so sayang din sa oras. Kaya, make it sure yung storage nyo is maraming, space pa. So, ayan. So, every level may, paminsan isa lang, paminsan dalawa, paminsan tatlo, guys. So, okay siya, legit naman siya. So, thank you. Goodbye!